My name's Ryan Evans and I work as the bilingual champion for the National Training Federation for Wales, or NTFW for short. My role has been funded by Welsh Government to support vocational training providers across Wales to increase the offer and provision of Welsh medium and bilingual apprenticeships. That's through working with the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, Sgiliaeth, Qualifications Wales and the awarding bodies. I've also been encouraging young people to complete at least some part of their qualification in Welsh. More recently, I've created sector groups with sector specialists to discuss the provision within the 4 priority sectors as set out by Welsh Government. That's agriculture, construction, health and social care and early years. As part of these groups, I've been looking at the current situation in terms of the staff that are able to work and assess the medium of Welsh or bilingually, but also looking at the qualifications that exist within each framework that are available in Welsh. This year, I've been working with the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol on the very first Apprenticeship Ambassador scheme. We've got 5 apprentices that are really enthusiastic about promoting the advantages of working and learning in the medium of Welsh and English. As my job title suggests, I work in both languages every day, but not every meeting nor every email that I write is in Welsh. But what's really important is that I actually communicate in the language of choice of the other person. The demand for and the offer of bilingual apprenticeships has increased massively over the last few years, which is why I'm working with training providers and other bodies to improve and increase the offer that's available so that apprentices have got more opportunities to learn in both languages across Wales.